Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, skid plate package, sunroof power tilt sliding electric. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.